I'm Amanda. And I'm filming myself. But there's my twin Stephanie.
Hi. I'm Stephanie and she's filming.
Yeah, we're twins. And I'm filming. Twin. Twin 1. Hi. Twin 2. Twin 1. Twin 2.
Really?
Both twins.
I love your laugh. Hi. Again, 50th time in a row I said hi.
Yeah, she's got a Razer phone. I hate her.
It's ultra thin.
Yeah, well, you want to see my phone? That's my phone. The difference? Yeah. Twin 1 sucks. Twin 2?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're cool. Twin 1? Or Twin 2? Twin 1. I'm a lot cooler.
Who put us together? How do you get to the song? Can't you tell it's a new song?
Ooh. Oh, here it is.
I give up on you.
I know. We're cool. But I like my ringtone better.
Hey! Mine plays
Ready?
more.
Ready?
Kidding. Hey, you want to hear it on my phone? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to hear it on the retard's phone.
My better phone. Who'd have thought that a phone this thin would make that much noise?
Woo! Airplane.
Did you take anything?
Magazines. Magazines. On the wall. Magazines line the wall.
On the wall? Magazines on the wall. Yeah.
Magazines on the wall. Magazines, zines on the wall. Wall. I'm so hyper. There's really hot guys that live next to me. They were today. They were waxing their car.
And you got it on film, didn't you?
No,
I did video.
It's still going. The video. Yeah, the video is
You know
still
you're
going.
taping like your wall right now. It wasn't even pointed at you.
Well, now it's pointed at me.
Oh my god. Something's wrong with us.
Yeah, I know.
You're not funny.
No, I don't have a camera. What are you talking about?
Really, what are you using right now?
I'm using my hand.
Oh my god.
It's
Here, ready?
imaginary.
It's on my phone. Ready?
That's some good sound.
Shut up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you handle it? Are you sure? Yeah.
I can't hear anything.
Video.
It goes forever. I still got 53 minutes.
Bye on this one too.
I think I'm gonna lose you. These things I said were things that were you were million miles.
Forced up majorly. I had to do it to see how far we go. Oh my god.
Alright, videos. No, I didn't take anything. I've been hyper all day.
Maybe we should go outside and after that.
Let's go outside.
Let's go.
Yeah. We're going outside.
Guess what?
What?
I gotta pee.
Chicken butt. Chicken butt. Yeah. I like your hat. It's actually mine, but
It's actually mine. But
it's actually mine. But you know how we do? Yeah, that's how we do. That's how we do it. In the hood.
I want to wear this.
Yeah.
I can't get it on my head though.
Woohoo! We rockin' stilettos, ho. We rockin' stilettos, ho. We rockin' stilettos, ho. Rockin' stilettos, ho.
Really?
Yeah, we rock stilettos, ho.
There we go. Hey, let me ask you brown too.
Trucker!
Really?
Trucker. Woot woot! Woot woot! Woot woot!
I don't have anything to say yet.
Yeah. We rockin' stilettos, ho. We rockin' stilettos. What? It matches! Yeah. I know you gotta pee. Yeah. Yeah, I know. 'Cause we rockin' stilettos, ho. We rockin' stilettos, ho. Yeah, I know. We're gonna make a movie.